Hi dear friends and followers. Today I'm here in Cologne, Germany, the day after the Fibo, and I'm training chest in Kraft Station, an old school gym here in Cologne. I recommend you, and I have to thank the owners for the possibility to train here for free, and I will show you now I'm doing dips. Is a way of show you the gym, the part of the gym, the old school, the free weights of the Kraft Station. So, my friends, let's go do dips. The condition is not that good because today I eat a lot of bad things and my digestion is not good. I'm bloated as hell and difficult even for breathe. So I do small training because I can abuse. I'm tired from these days in Fibo. It's just to squeeze the chest and nothing more. My friends, a big hug from Monstro.